This is a rapidly starving to death dog. Having his 2 cheeseburgers. Wolf, wolf, wolf. Oh yes, he's a good dog. Yeah, I ordered them plain, but they put ketchup and pickles on them. That's you saw he spit out the pickle. I'm sorry, Atticus, I didn't mean to give you a pickle. People just don't take orders good. Yeah, you'll eat that pickle. He can actually discriminate from the pickle, Geri. Look at that. Oh, he ate a pickle. Shit. He's a ravenous dog. Ultimately, what the hell. Good job, Atticus. Grandma loves you and Grandpa loves you.